Okay guys, I have failed tonight. I've run out of options. I couldn't get the intercooler piping to fit, and then on the turbo side, I'm sorry, the camera's dirty. On the bottom side, like way down, whatever, down there, yeah, the nipple, right there. It's extremely small. It's like half of the size of the intercooler piping. So now I gotta buy fittings, or whatever you call those things. Those blue rubber couplings. And being broke, I don't know that's gonna happen. How that's gonna happen? But I'm gonna turn it on so it doesn't have intercooler piping. It's just a turbo. And let's see what happens. This is the first start up, turn on at 12:09 a.m.